In this video, we will highlight 10 tiny AI crypto altcoins that have the potential to 100 to 300x in 2025. Invest in these AI altcoins now and make a huge profit next year, just in time for the bull run. Let's jump right in with our first AI project we would like to highlight, called Trias. Trias is a decentralized infrastructure designed to deliver trustworthy and reliable cloud computing. The goal of Trias is to foster a world where machines can be trusted, countering potential risks like data leaks and privacy violations often associated with untrusted machines. Trias, an acronym for Trustworthy and Reliable Intelligent Autonomous Systems, is an innovative Web3 project centered around the concept of trust in machines. It aims to create a reliable general-purpose computation infrastructure, where systems only implement expected behaviors. Trias also offers compatibility with all platforms, including mobile, IoT devices, and servers, and features a self-sustaining token economy. Operating as a decentralized software as a service, Trias ensures high scalability, continuous availability, and improved security, thereby enhancing the traditional SaaS model. Trias Force, a software suite developed by the Trias team, embodies this DSaaS model, providing blockchain-based services to various sectors through its key offerings: Trias Force Auditing, Trias Force Security, and Trias Force ERP. The Leviatum layer, part of the Trias architecture, uses a web of trusted execution environments to ensure the accurate execution of software applications. The Prometheus layer is a traceable development framework that documents all crucial data related to the lifespan of software on a blockchain. The Magcarta layer is a consensus-driven programming model, which allows the creation of unique consensus strategies for advanced enterprise dApps. Trias has initiated several innovative projects such as Triathon Lab, Ethereum Network, and Tusima, which operate as nodes. Triathon aims to empower project builders and token holders to drive the testing and auditing process of crypto projects throughout their life cycles. Tusima is a Layer 2 controllable privacy financial network based on ZK Rollup, offering superior on-chain data privacy protection. Lastly, Ethereum aims to build a new blockchain platform that supports the full decentralization of large-scale applications, redefining the concepts of people, space, and applications in the Web3 era. Trias currently has a market cap of 70 million. We believe that Trias has the potential to reach a market cap of at least 7 billion in the future. That is a nice 100x from here. AI project number 2 in this video is called Spectral. Machine learning models, especially those applied in critical production settings, are typically designed and developed by a handful of large, centralized entities using complex and proprietary techniques. AI agents, which are essentially automated codes that perform tasks on our behalf, have the potential to revolutionize various aspects of our lives. Pioneering AI innovators such as OpenAI have already made significant progress in this regard, laying the groundwork for the creation of agent marketplaces. In the context of Web3, AI agents can provide a considerable boost to the speed and overall user experience of on-chain operations. The decentralized ethos that underpins Web3 stands in stark contrast to the concept of centralized marketplaces that currently dominate the creation and operation of on-chain agents. Enter Spectral, an innovative solution that seeks to reconcile these seemingly contradictory elements by bridging the divide between AI, machine learning, and blockchain technologies. Its suite of products enables users to create on-chain agents that operate based on transparent, open-source knowledge bases and inferences. These agents utilize a common provenance layer, aptly named the infrachain, thereby ensuring transparency and accountability in their operations. Spectral offers 2 distinct products: Spectral Syntax and Spectral Nova. The former is a network of on-chain agents that enables users to create their own on-chain agents using a Solidity copilot. It understands natural language intents and turns them into code-based agent instructions. Users can create and monetize their own agents or use the community-created agents to perform their daily Web3 tasks. On the other hand, Spectral Nova is a machine intelligence network that provides decentralized ML inferences directly to smart contracts. It encourages top data scientists and ML engineers to build models that output inference feeds to solve predictive and machine intelligence problems for Web3 applications. The agents created on the Spectral Syntax network, and the various inference feeds they consume from the Spectral Nova network, will be integrated through the infrachain. Spectral envisions the infrachain as the future of agent-to-agent communication, promoting transparency, decentralization, and performance verification for AI's application in the Web3 space. Spectral currently has a market cap of 80 million. We believe that Spectral has the potential to reach a market cap of at least 10 billion in the future. That is a 125x from here. As our third AI project, we would like to highlight DAI by 01 Labs. 01 is a decentralized artificial intelligence ecosystem with a focus on data governance. They have developed a comprehensive DAI product suite, featuring a secure, modular, and interconnected platform for DAI tools and apps. Together with their 01 construct program and proprietary cipher chain, this suite forms a resilient flywheel, fueling the forthcoming DAI revolution with momentum. Their mission is to simplify the development process and enhance the discoverability, growth, and monetization of DAI products, while ensuring user data remains in the hands of its rightful owners, the users. At DAI, they believe that AI combined with blockchain technology is poised to become the largest vertical in the markets. Blockchain-based tokens will serve as the native digital currency, enabling AI systems to transact. DAI aims to promote the development and expansion of decentralized AI dApps. This objective is divided into three primary areas: establishing a sturdy infrastructure that enables creators to contribute, train and host AI applications, tools, and models; facilitating the financial incentivization of open AI networks through crypto economics; and providing a resilient, decentralized infrastructure for the operation of dApps. 01 emphasizes three fundamental concepts for decentralized AI, namely data governance, decentralized node infrastructure, and AI tooling. Decentralization enhances data sharing across diverse datasets and fosters shared AI models for improved accuracy and performance. It also encourages decentralized model training for efficiency and privacy, creating new revenue streams for data providers. The creation of a distributed network of nodes improves security and scalability, while the focus lies in developing decentralized, globally accessible tools free of charge. The primary goal is to create an open-access, decentralized toolkit for AI. This strategy democratizes AI development by offering free access to advanced tools and resources. Under the Zero Economic Framework, users are able to stake DAI while offering staking rewards and the opportunity to participate in lock drops to obtain ecosystem incentives. Adopting a strategy similar to that of Celestia, holders of the DAI token will be given precedence for early participation in 3 forthcoming Zero Construct Program project launches that are currently under wraps. In conclusion, DAI is emerging as a significant player in the AI space that keeps building and expanding, mounting a challenge to BitTensor's dominance. DAI currently has a market cap of 30 million. This project has a promising future, and it can reach a market cap of at least 10 billion during a bull run. That is an astonishing 333x from here. As our fourth AI project, we would like to highlight OLAS. OLAS aims to equip developers with a high-end toolbox, empowering them to merge the potential of smart contracts with the flexibility of conventional web programming. This method will ease the development of new applications, enhance the user experience in Web3, and streamline DAO's operations. Autonomous services comprise agents, each supervised by a unique operator. These agents work non-stop, collecting data from any source and executing complex processes such as machine learning. They are safeguarded by an on-chain protocol that operates across multiple chains and can also interact with off-chain APIs. To construct autonomous services, developers use an open-source framework called Open Autonomy. They register their code on the on-chain protocol, which can then be pieced together into fully functional services by other developers. DAOs can then use these services to boost their operations or deliver superior products and services. Governance plays a crucial role in a modular system as it determines the adoption or discontinuation of certain functions. Autonomous governance system is designed to manage various control points, such as initiating and managing agent services, regulating minting rules for contributed software components, and updating parameters in the tokenomics. Initially, OLAS tokens can be used to participate in governance. Their utility expands as further parts of the Autonomous protocol are deployed. Specifically, OLAS tokens will enable the protocol to acquire assets, including their own liquidity, at a discount. This will, in turn, attract more developers to contribute to the protocol. OLS currently has a market cap of 60 million. A market cap of at least 6 billion is not crazy to think of in the future, and is a nice 100x from here. As our fifth tiny AI project, we would like to highlight GraphLink. GLQ is a no-code protocol designed for blockchain development. It operates automatically, executing actions in response to triggered events. Essentially, GLQ utilizes its engine and an integrated development environment to offer automated services. To deploy a graph, users have to import any template or GLQ file using the IDE tool. The graph can then be run on the network using the engine tool. GLQ also enables users to access ticks and current statistics on centralized exchanges and DeFi applications. All information acquired from applications and blockchain connections is securely stored in the engine database as a safety measure. The GraphLink ecosystem consists of two primary components: the GraphLink chain and the GraphLink protocol. The GraphLink protocol, an automated process management solution, simplifies the deployment and management of various automation types, even for users without coding skills. This protocol encompasses four key components: the IDE, the app, the engine, and the marketplace. The GraphLink Integrated Development Environment, IDE, enables users to create automation through a drag-and-drop interface. It visually represents the automation process and allows users to connect different nodes to create complex automation. The GraphLink app is a user-friendly interface for accessing pre-made automation templates and deploying them with a few clicks. Users can customize these templates by updating variables and deploying the automation directly from the app. The GraphLink engine, the protocol's core component, executes automation securely and accurately. Operating on the GraphLink chain, the engine is responsible for correctly processing all data. The GraphLink Marketplace is a platform for users to trade GLQ templates and other automation types. The GraphLink chain, a blockchain designed specifically to support the GraphLink protocol, is a proof-of-authority blockchain that offers a secure and scalable platform for automation. GLQ currently has a market cap of 25 million. GLQ is one of the best projects in the AI space, and we think that a market cap of 8 billion is possible in a bull run. That is a mind-blowing 320x from here. AI project number 6 is called Devolved AI, with its token Argo Coin. Devolved AI is a decentralized, fair-launched Layer 1 blockchain, dedicated to fostering global participation in the evolution of building AI models, DApps, and an advanced large language model named Athena. Argo Coin plays a central role in fueling the devolved AI ecosystem, providing incentives, enhancing participation, and secures the network. Drawing inspiration from the innovative spirit of ancient Greek civilization, Athena embodies wisdom and serves as a custodian and distributor of truth. Their approach to AI aims to drive transformative change and provide compelling solutions across key sectors. Athena is trained using data provided by the community, making Devolved AI a formidable player in the LLM world. The objective is to create a fully autonomous LLM. Athena uses a hybrid training method that combines federated learning and reinforcement learning. This approach allows it to adapt dynamically to new data, while protecting user privacy. Its architecture is designed for scalability, enabling it to expand its knowledge base across various domains effortlessly. Contributions are valued at Devolved AI. They acknowledge and reward your efforts with AGC tokens, ensuring that all participants are recognized, regardless of their role. Contributors earn AGC tokens based on the impact and quality of their contributions. Devolved AI empowers users to provide feedback, allowing them to directly contribute to the improvement of AI technology. The community's proposals for AI model enhancements are evaluated through a DAO. Devolved AI envisions a future where AI's growth and governance are driven by a global community's collective intellect. Their vision advocates for a self-sustaining AI ecosystem, free from centralized control. This groundbreaking approach signifies their commitment to decentralization, heralding an era where the community democratically directs AI's evolution. AGC currently has a market cap of 15 million. We believe that AGC has the potential to reach a market cap of at least 3 billion in the future. That is a beautiful 200x from here. As our 7th project, we would like to present Virtual Protocol. Virtual Protocol aligns incentives for the creation and monetization of AI personas for every virtual interaction. The virtual protocol is a decentralized factory that creates AI characters for various virtual worlds, such as games or online spaces. Its focus is on developing and selling these AI personas in a mutually beneficial way. It's like creating digital characters capable of anything, from mimicking a movie character to assisting in writing a horror story, or even representing a digital version of yourself. To achieve this, the protocol incentivizes people to contribute their skills and ideas. Contributors who add data and develop AI models are compensated for their efforts, attracting top talent. Those who ensure the seamless functioning of everything are also rewarded, maintaining high quality and fostering trust in their creations. For developers who incorporate these AIs into their apps, it's straightforward to integrate into their system, facilitating the creation of unique, immersive experiences without extensive technical difficulties. This approach allows faster and more cost-effective product deployment. For rights holders of specific characters or stories, this presents a new revenue stream and a means to maintain their content's popularity. Each contribution, whether it's data or a model, is created as an NFT and proposed on-chain. Validators then compare these submissions to the current version. If a new submission is considered an improvement, it is assimilated as the latest state of the respective module. Being in the current state allows contributors to earn token rewards virtually. Contributors retain ownership of their submissions, sharing in the value created by their contributions. This system ensures that those who enhance the protocol are compensated for their work. Virtual Protocol currently has a market cap of 40 million. We believe that a market cap of 5 billion is possible in a bull run for this unique project. That is a 125x from here. We would like to highlight Atlas Navi as our 8 AI project. Navi app utilizes a smartphone's camera and artificial intelligence to analyze road conditions continuously, aiding drivers in avoiding traffic. The application is instrumental in transmitting vital information to other drivers. This in turn aids in the rapid alleviation of road congestion. The app is capable of processing a volume of data that is approximately 100 times more than any other navigation app currently available. This revolutionary technology is built on the robust platform provided by NVIDIA. Navi holds the distinguished title of being the world's first AI system that offers an unparalleled level of compute density, performance, and flexibility. The data center, which is a crucial component of the system, uses inferencing techniques to ingest, curate, and annotate this data. The processed data is then utilized for AI model training. Navi also features a multi-layered approach to security, which ensures that your AI enterprise has the most robust security posture. This approach covers all major hardware and software components, thus providing comprehensive protection. The app's capacity to avoid traffic congestion is superior to any other solution currently available. The application leverages cutting-edge technology, such as machine learning and computer vision neural networks, to interpret the road as seen by smartphone cameras. The Atlas Navi apps have already been developed for both Android and iOS, with 90% of the functionality being available. As a real utility navigation app that relies on AI analysis of video feeds from smartphone cameras, Navi had to ensure that the large amount of data generated by real-time detections of traffic functions flawlessly. Navi currently has a market cap of 10 million. Navi is a unique AI project, and it could reach a market cap of 3 billion peak bull run. That is an astonishing 300x from here. AI project number 9 we would like to highlight is called GamerCoin. GamerHash is an app that enables users to share their computing power and earn rewards by simply running the software in the background. They have introduced an innovative feature known as Play and Earn. This feature offers users an opportunity to earn rewards while simultaneously learning about blockchain technology. It's an attractive proposition for those who want to merge their interests in gaming and emerging technological trends. In addition to providing a learning platform, the GamerHash store presents a cost-effective way for users to access the latest games and digital products. This makes it an invaluable resource, particularly for those who are always on the lookout for the newest releases in the gaming world. Furthermore, the potential of the platform as an educational resource is undeniable, making it an attractive option for those who are eager to understand more about blockchain technology. However, GamerHash offers more than just the play and earn feature. Since the beginning of this year, the company has rolled out a completely new service to its user base. Dubbed GamerHash AI, this service expertly bridges the worlds of gaming, crypto, and artificial intelligence. The essence of gaming transcends traditional boundaries, allowing users to revel in their favorite games while simultaneously earning in the background. This integration of gaming and earning represents a significant shift in how gamers interact with their personal computers and the wider gaming ecosystem. What's more, it introduces gamers to the Web3 world, given that the GamerHash platform is run by the GHX token. The model that GamerHash uses is simple but effective. They provide the distributed computational power for AI-related tasks, and in return, partners bring the rewards for users' shared GPU power. This synergy is not only innovative, but also incredibly efficient, marking a new era in the gaming and blockchain industries. By leveraging AI technology through DeepIn and embracing GameFi in a variety of ways, GamerHash's narrative for this bull market can surely be explosive. This combination of AI, blockchain, and gaming is a revolutionary approach, and it is likely to make significant waves in the market. GHX currently has a market cap of 70 million. A market cap of 10 billion is doable in a bull run, and is a 142x from here. As our final tiny AI project, we would like to highlight Layer AI. Layer AI is the dedicated blockchain network for data monetization within AI models. Layer functions as a sophisticated ecosystem strategically crafted to expedite the rise of the data economy. It aims to do so through the utilization of cutting-edge advancements in both Web 2 and Web 3, along with the integration of a tokenized economic framework. The Layer AI ecosystem empowers individuals to step into a transformative epoch where they can own, control, and capitalize on their most substantial digital asset, data. At a glance, the components of the Layer AI ecosystem consist of a ZK rollup blockchain network, Layer VPN, a decentralized exchange called Kyoto X, the Layer marketplace, and the Layer app. Layer constructs its own zero-knowledge Layer 2 network on top of Ethereum. It employs a private and low-cost ZK rollup technology to transform data into a valuable asset. ZK rollups are a secure method for storing and sharing information online. They use trustless cryptographic setups for security, unlike other systems that rely on honest validators and sequencers. ZK rollups use special codes to safeguard information and validity proofs to authenticate off-chain transactions. Layer VPN is the native VPN solution, functioning as a data node. Users can earn reward tokens for browsing the web, provided they've downloaded Layer VPN and equipped their data capsule. The user's Layer VPN account is linked with their account on the Layer Economy app. This app serves as a Web3 hub for the Layer AI economy. Kyoto X, the DeFi layer inside Layer AI, acts as a decentralized finance hub. Layer Marketplace, the native NFT marketplace on Layer AI, allows users to transact data capsule NFTs. These data capsules enable users to earn from contributing data to the ecosystem. Layer AI is dedicated to establishing an ecosystem that is not only efficient, but also user-friendly. The main goal here is to empower individuals, enabling them to take on a proactive role within the data economy, a sector that is seeing rapid development and expansion in the current digital age. The Layer AI ecosystem is strategically designed to encourage active user participation. Layer AI's mission extends beyond just user empowerment. It also aims to expedite the rise of the data economy by leveraging cutting-edge advancements in both Web 2 and Web 3, along with the integration of a tokenized economic framework. Layer AI currently has a market cap of 5 million. A market cap of at least 1 billion is not crazy to think of in the future, and is exactly a 200x from here. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and put notifications on to stay updated on all the latest crypto trends.